feel like you're in Barcelona.
Okay, perfect. Can you order like a $60 meal for me? No drink. 第一个是 cauliflower， 它的 sauce 好吃，但 cauliflower 有点太过淡。不过这什么来的？两个，你们看照片那边。哇，这很好吃哦！还包酱哎，看一下。
How is everything?
What is this? This is so good.
Chicken, carrots, onions, and curry sauce.
我的 dessert 已经到了，首先我嗅到香蕉的味道。很软。
In the torrija, it has Catalan cream inside, and together with the vanilla ice cream, it's amazing.
This is really good. Yeah,
One of my favorites.
里面没有香蕉的味道，是可能不是香蕉，是环黑。